Hi, in this quick video, I'm just going to be showing you how you can start outreach from day one rather than waiting 2 weeks for your cold email inboxes to actually warm up. So this is one of the biggest problems that a lot of people face is sometimes your whole infrastructure, especially in 2025 and going forward, like your infrastructure is just burnt overnight and you don't have any backup infrastructure. So you're like, how can I keep running my campaigns very quickly? And the quickest solution to this, I think, if you're a beginner, is probably just using Instantly's pre-warmed email accounts. One thing to keep in mind is like they're not going to be branded domains, so it's not going to be your own company's name. But from what we've seen in our tests, we have not seen a big difference in performance on whether you have your company name, like a similar domain to your company name or not, or just like a generic domain. Like surprisingly, I haven't seen a big difference in performance. Um, so yeah, if I was going to decide between waiting 2 weeks just to get branded domains or buying some pre-warmed ones and carrying on the volume, I'd go with the second option any day of the week. So yeah, if you're a beginner, this is probably the best route. And if you want another option, I know InfraForge have got pre-warmed infrastructure as well, and it seems fairly reasonable. One thing to keep in mind is it is going to be more expensive than setting up your own infrastructure, but this is more just for like emergency purposes. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. And if you are looking to grow your B2B company, you can book a call with the link below and we can have a quick chat and see if we'd be a good fit for you. Other than that, subscribe to the channel. We're doing daily uploads and watch the other videos if you need any help with cold outbound in general.